Silver price is exploding higher, and it looks like we could go back over $100 an ounce next week. I want to talk about why metals are moving up today, as well as the technical issue or glitch that the COMEX had earlier this week and what it could mean for silver. Let's get into it. Introducing the first ever 5 Oz silver maple leaf coin from the Royal Canadian Mint. A historic release with an iconic design that is available in a stunning 5 Oz format for the first time ever. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of minting history, available exclusively at sdbullion.com. Thank you so much for watching. I do sincerely appreciate it. Today is Friday, February 27th. It is the last trading day of the month and silver is up big. It's currently sitting at $94.34. It's up over $5.50 on the day, or 6.38%. This is a massive move to the upside for silver. But it's not the only thing going up. Gold is also up today, sitting at $52.45. It's up $55 or just over 1%. So silver is moving much, much faster than gold. However, gold is only about $170 away from its all-time high. We could see gold hit a new all-time high next week. Silver still has quite a ways to go to get back to its all-time high, but we could see triple-digit silver next week. And take a look at the gold-silver ratio. It is dropping fast now, sitting at 55.92. That's less than 56 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold right now. Additionally, if we look at the top assets by market cap, you could see here silver, which was lower than Nvidia last week, is now nearly $1 trillion higher. So if silver can keep moving up, it's possible that it could solidify its rightful place next to gold for the rest of human history. And by the way, if we do compare silver to gold and we do just a little bit of math here, you can see that gold's market cap is only about 7 times bigger than that of silver, which is really close to the mining ratio. For every ounce of gold that is mined, there's about 7 or 8 ounces of silver that is mined right now. So if we go back to the current gold-silver ratio of about 56:1, you could see silver needs to go quite a bit higher to close this gap. One other thing that I wanted to point out is that with the spike in price today, the annual average price for silver is back above $100 an ounce. You just take the price every single day and average it out. This has never happened before. Silver averaging over $100 an ounce at the end of February. And honestly, I think silver could go a lot higher. But why is silver moving up today? Well, first off, we've got Silver Trade posting this breaking producer price index comes in hot. We've got some inflation numbers that were way higher than expected, 2.9 as opposed to the 2.6 expectation. And the core PPI jumps all the way up to 3.6. It was only expected to come in at 3%. So inflation numbers are massively above expectations, which is why gold and silver immediately went vertical. But there's something else going on today. Gold Silver HQ posted this from BRICS News. Dust in, China issues warning against traveling to Iran and urges its citizens to leave as soon as possible. Additionally, we've got Canada. And by the way, this alert is from open source intel. They are urging Canadians in Iran to leave immediately. So something big is going on in the Middle East. We know tensions have been rising for a while now. And whenever there is fear and uncertainty, people flock to the safe haven assets, both gold and silver, which is the main reason I think they're exploding higher today. One other interesting thing going on according to bar chart, just in USM2 money supply jumps to a new all-time high of 22.45 trillion. And make gold? Great, says you know what to do. So it's not a surprise to me that the money supply or currency supply is at a new all-time high and inflation is also going up faster than expected. I wonder if these things could be related. But let's get to the COMEX glitch that happened earlier this week. And CME Group posted this on X. Due to a technical issue, the CME, Globex metals, and natural gas futures and options markets were halted at 12:15 p.m. today. This was last Wednesday. Natural gas futures and options markets reopened at 12:50 Central Time. Metals markets will reopen at 1:45 Central Time. So it's interesting that for natural gas, they were able to get everything fixed really quickly. But for the metals, both gold and silver, it took a bit longer to get things sorted out. I wonder why that was. During the outage, 159 million ounces of silver exchanged hands. So there was some type of shenanigans going on. They were trying to maybe push the price of silver lower, and it worked for a little while. Skyrollin says, CME Group, your technical difficulties conveniently resolved at the exact moment 31,828 silver contracts, or 159 million ounces, were market sold in a single 15-minute candle to defend the $91 resistance line. This is a synthetic delta dump, not a glitch. And he's calling for the CFTC to look into it. I highly doubt they will do so. But whatever was going on while the markets were closed, we have now blown past that resistance line today. Silver Trade said this is deja vu all over again. CME halts metals trading ahead of first notice day for silver. And if you want to know what happened to silver last time this happened, well, silver actually surged 127% over the next 60 days. So if we see that again, then $200 silver is in the near future. Many of you remember the cooling issues that happened last year. This was actually on the first notice day for the December silver contract. So it's interesting that it happened again on a first notice day, but silver actually went from $53 an ounce all the way up to $121. So whatever they tried to do last time, it didn't work. They're trying it again. I don't think it's working now either. In fact, Silver Trade posted this today. Silver hits $94. This is it, folks. 94 is the last remaining resistance before triple digits and a likely return trip to all-time highs. So he's calling for all-time highs and $100 silver probably next week. I think it's very possible we will see that with everything going on in the Middle East and everything going on with inflation as well. A lot of things are pushing metals higher. It's really nice to see silver above $90 an ounce once again. Although I know a lot of you who are wanting to add more silver to your stack, you're seeing this and thinking, oh no, did I miss my chance? Well, this might be your last chance to get silver under $100 an ounce. So I would say keep an eye on everything going on in the Middle East over the weekend. And if something big happens, expect silver to go to triple digits on Monday or early next week. And of course, I will be making videos updating you with everything along the way. Feel free to let me know down below in the comments section where do you think silver is going from here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.